Hey guys, and welcome to this week's video. So today, as you can tell, I'm filming on my phone. That's because I really want to do a vlog, but like a day in the life vlog / what I eat in a day, because I asked you guys on Twitter what video you guys want to see from me this week, and it was between Canon faves and this video, and you guys wanted to see this video, so that made me so happy. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So as you tell, I've got no makeup on because I literally just woken up. So I'm gonna get ready, put my face on, put on some cool clothes, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. So happy the sky is pretty clear though. Look at that beautiful winter sun. Yes. Obviously the sun's on the other side of the house, but you get what I mean. Makeup is now done. I had a little bit of stress with the main shade because there was a lot of fallout as you saw, but I think I managed to salvage it. There might be a little bit of pink around my eyes, but who cares, because I'm gonna probably have my glasses on for the rest of the day and be in the house, except in the morning because I need to go out. But it is breakfast and my first meal of the day. Technically not, because I just have a massive mug of Dolce Gusto latte macchiato coffee, and it is so good. Just look at it, and I always have that every single morning. I do not eat anything. I usually only eat in the morning if I'm doing a really early shift, like I am actually doing tomorrow, which is a 9 o'clock start. So I would usually have some porridge, but if I'm on a day off, then I will not have anything except coffee. And you can hear my mom hoovering in the background. That's what she does every single morning as well. Hashtag housework. Before I start my day and just relax with my coffee, I'm going to show you guys what book I'm reading. It's Sophie Kinsella's Can You Keep a Secret, and it is hilarious. I've literally nearly finished, but it's so funny. I was reading Emma by Jane Austen and Little by Edward something and those were really heavy, intense books. Well, not heavy intense, but they were really serious, sad books. And obviously Emma was a bit happier, but this is hilarious. This is like chick lit, light-hearted, funny. So if you guys love that sort of thing, I definitely recommend it. And also I painted my nails really cool yesterday. Let me give you guys a close-up because I'm so happy with them. So they're gonna be featured on my Instagram. But I was inspired by a lovely guy I follow called Jade Poppy, and she always has really cool nail art on her nails, but she gets them done professionally, but I can't afford that life, so I decided to give it a go myself, and I'm actually quite impressed. Just look, I mean, let me show you in the sunlight. Oh wow, they look stunning. I'm so happy. This took me like 15 minutes, and then I used Sally Hansen's Speedy Quick Dry, and it's just like glossy and professional, and I'm so happy with myself. It is now like 10 o'clock and I'm about to run off now to run some errands for my mum. But before I head off, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day because I'm actually in love with it, and I feel like it's a really good transition into spring outfit. So I've got my favourite new look teddy bear coat on, my monkey t-shirt, my Lazy Oaf rainbow cardigan, and I got these new trousers from Primark, and they're new in for spring, and I've got my new Primark trainers, which are so my aesthetic, pink, white and yellow, very pastel, and I've got my favourite skinny dip cross body bag, I can't even pronounce it, and I think my nails go so well with it. I'm so happy, and I've got my ring, and that is my outfit. Yes, these trousers and trainers are actually featured in my last video, which was a Primark haul, so I'll leave it as a card right here or here wherever, so you guys can go and watch it. Yay! Okay guys, I am back and it is now lunchtime and I am absolutely starving because me and my mum went to a lot of shops this morning to do a lot of things and I am so excited. We had a little cheeky craving, what I did. I took my mum to M&S because I really wanted a bulk lunch because I couldn't be bothered to make anything when I came home. So I will show you guys what I got. So I decided to go for the vegan roasted vegetable and avocado sandwich, and I just got reduced fat salt and vinegar crisps. And then yesterday my mum bought me some mango from Morrison's, so this is like worth 2 servings, so I'm gonna have half of that as well. And I just got a glass of water. I will show you the sandwich just in case you guys want to like get it as well, because this is like one of my absolute favorites, and I think it's red pepper bread as well. It's a plant kitchen roasted vegetable and avocado, so it's a plant protein, and I think it is, yes, red pepper bread. And I'm absolutely starving, and like I keep saying, so I am going to eat this straight away, and I will catch you guys for another little chat and a mini haul of what I bought. Yay! I feel nice, I'm full now, and I'll quickly show you guys what I bought while I was out, and they were very, very spring themed. So in Superdrug, I went in and bought 2 nail paints. I've got these from Rimmel London. I'm usually into Barry M, but they don't have the shades I'm after, which were these 2. They've got a lot of like dark navy and then those weird under the sea iridescent shades, but I just really wanted some simple ones, so I picked up this in Cheer Up Buttercup, and this one Roll in the Grass, and these are to replace the 2 that I got from Barry M and Tanya Burr that I wear constantly, and they've dried up and gone gloopy because I've had them for a few years. So these are like my 2 favourite go-to shades. I'm so happy I found very similar ones that are basically the same, and these were £2 each. And then the other thing I treated myself to was these cute daffodils in M&S. It was £3 a bunch, so I got pink and yellow, and they just go so well with the theme of my room, and they just so freaking pretty, so I can't wait to Instagram them like constantly. So hopefully they should last a week, but they just look super cute. Oh my gosh, don't you just love it when you're like setting up an Instagram of like your pretty new flowers and just some props, and then you actually get a blog post idea, which is what I keep on my bedside table, or spring bedtime table essentials. I don't know, but I will think of something. But it just looks so pretty, and I had to take a picture on my big camera. So yay for unintentional inspirational blogger content, because I just got new flowers. Okay. It is now a late afternoon and I have made myself, well, my mum has made me a cup of tea, and I always have 2 tea bags with half a teaspoon of sugar with a tiny bit of semi-skimmed milk. And for my snack I've got the new Naked Bar Blueberry Muffin, which is my actual new obsession for healthy snacks. It is one of your 5 a day as well, and it's vegan, which is really good. And if you guys ever crave something sweet, definitely pick one of these up. You can actually get these everywhere now, so I'm gonna have this. And I've also got a little candle burning as well, and I'm going to watch Shane Dawson new conspiracy theory video, and I'm so excited. So that is my afternoon planned. It is now dinner time, and my mum has done a baked sweet potato with baked beans and cheese, and I'm actually so excited because baked potatoes are my favourite ever kind of potato, apart from normal potatoes. But I don't know what I am saying. I am tired and I'm hungry, So I'm going to eat this. So this is going to be demolished in like 20 seconds flat. I thought I'd also show you guys what my evening snack is, because I usually have a coffee at like 8 PM and then chocolate or a bit of cake, and I want to edit this film and get it scheduled like super quickly, so I don't want to wait till 8 to show you guys, but I'm going to do it now before I eat my dinner. So my mum treated us, my mum treated us to some cake from Starbucks, and I literally just got a cinnamon swirl, which is like one of my favourite things to have from Starbucks apart from the muffins. So I'm going to eat that tonight and I can't freaking wait. I think I'm going to end today's video here. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when the next upload. I do upload every single Friday, and if you guys did enjoy this vlog / what I eat in a day video, do let me know in the comments, and also let me know what your favourite meal to eat is ever. If I had to pick, it would be pizza, obviously, because that is the best. Hope you guys had a lovely week, and I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I will see you next week for another video. Goodbye!